Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another website to pay you Binance instantly in your Faucetpay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos is a freeway earner website. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you Binance every 5 minutes. You can claim 30 to 50 Satoshi from here, and it's very easy. Just put your Binance wallet address. Okay, go to deposit, come down and copy your Binance wallet address from here and paste in here. Just come down and just click login. Solve this little capture is a pilot, please, nurse and dentist. Just solve this little capture to fill it up and just click verify capture. And maybe that's finished. That's too easy. You can see this website pay me 46 Satoshi was sent to your Faucetpay instantly. And now I go to my Faucetpay, go to my user dashboard review, and you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a freeway earning website. Bye bye for now, and this website link available in the description.